Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Lecture 2. Introduction to R Programming. Introduction. Welcome to Module 2 of your journey into R programming. In this module, we'll delve into the fundamental concepts of R programming and set the groundwork for your understanding of this powerful language. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refresh your knowledge, you're in the right place. Here's a sneak peek at what we'll cover. 1. Introduction to R. Get acquainted with R, its history, and why it's a popular choice for data analysis and statistical computing. 2. Installation and setup. Learn how to install R and RStudio, the Integrated Development Environment, IDE, favored by many R users. 3. Basic syntax. Discover the syntax of R, including variables, data types, and basic operations. 4. Vectors and data structures. Explore how R handles vectors, matrices, arrays, lists, and data frames, which are essential for data manipulation and analysis. 5. Control structures. Dive into control structures like loops and conditional statements, crucial for writing efficient and effective code. 6. Functions. Understand the concept of functions in R, how to create your own functions, and how to leverage built-in functions for various tasks. 7. Packages and libraries. Learn about R packages, libraries of pre-written code that extend R's functionality, and how to install and use them. 8. Data import and export. Master the art of importing data into R from various file formats and exporting results for further analysis or sharing.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.